If you need to shoot in flat profile, then you need to spend your money on expensive cameras because the budget cameras don't allow you to shoot in flat profile. But if you don't have the money to spend on expensive cameras and you have that camera which is a budget camera and you want to kind of get that flat profile look, then there's a way to do that. And don't worry, if you don't know what a flat profile is, then I will explain you everything in this video and I will show you how to kind of get that flat profile on budget cameras. But before moving further, intro. So, a flat profile looks like this when you shoot on camera. But why do we need to shoot in flat profile? That's because flat profile has more dynamic range than the other color profiles. But what does that mean? It means the camera will be capable of storing more information about the highlights and about the shadows. So when you move into post, it will be better when you color grade your footage. So the highlights will be better and it will not be blown out. The highlights and shadows will still have the details in it. And the most common example is the blown out sky. In many videos you often see that the skies are blown out. That's because while shooting the camera is not actually storing the information about the highlights. So it becomes easier to color grade your footage when it is shot in flat profile. So in case of the sky, you get a nice blue sky rather than completely white blown out sky. So sky was just an example. There are many situations where many things can be totally blown out due to less information in the highlights or in shadows. So flat profiles while shooting looks very grayish and very dull in color. But after you color grade your footage, the footage looks very, as you can already see. Different brands have different flat profiles. The Canon cameras have C logs, the Sony cameras have S log, but you don't get the log profile, which is a flat profile, in the budget cameras. But we can kind of get that flat profile on budget cameras also. How to do that? Let's jump into it. So all the Canon cameras allow you to download and install custom color profiles to your camera. And the most popular color profile to get that flat look is the CineStyle, which is from Technicolor. So you have to go to this website and then download CineStyle from here. I will put all the links in the description below. So after you have downloaded the CineStyle and extracted the zip file, you will have all these files, and among this, the last one, which is the PF2 file, is the most important one. You will need this file. Now what you have to do, you have to download an application which is the EOS utility, which is from Canon official. Check the link in the description to download that application. And connect your camera to your computer using an USB cable. After you have done that, it will show three options. So what you have to do, you have to just go to remote shooting. This will open the window here. So now you have to just go to the camera if it's not selected. So in the camera section, now go to picture style. And now all the default picture profiles are there, and there will be 3 user defined picture styles also. So I have already installed the CineStyle in user defined 1. As you can see, if I drag the mouse over it, it shows CineStyle. So I will now install CineStyle in user defined 2 so that I can show you. But you can do that in user defined 1 if nothing is there in the user defined 1 section. So I will click on user defined 2, and then, so as you can see, the picture style shows user defined 2, but the CineStyle is not installed yet in user defined 2. So what you have to do, you have to go to register user defined style. So this will open a dialog box. Now what you have to do, you will click the browse icon and go to the folder here. As you can see, go to the folder of CineStyle and this will show the PF2 file. Just click and hit open. So as you can see, the CineStyle color profile is loaded, and once done, click OK. So that's it. As you can see, the user defined shows 1, which I previously installed it, and now the user defined 2 also shows CineStyle. So now your camera is set on color profile CineStyle to get that flat look while shooting. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button below down there, and having that said, see you soon in next video. Till then, bye bye.